Hey guys, I am back again with another video, of course, but this video is just a little different. I am at a beauty supply. So I'm going to go through the beauty supply store and look what I need to get. I'm actually going to talk to the clerk. Hopefully I get to record it. This beauty supply store is in Fullerton. It is off of Euclid. I just discovered this coming home from work, I think. One of the two. And I kind of want to see what's inside. There's not really a lot of beauty supplies where I am. I live in La Mirada, so if any of you guys are familiar with that area, you know there's not a lot of beauty supply stores around there that supply what I need. So let's see what they have in here. Let's go. And it has everything that you would need. And let's go to the hair. So this is the hair section here. They have every type of hair that you can think of. And I will definitely put the link, everything in this video. Okay guys, so I just talked to the clerk and they have two different type of brands. They have a King Soft and Kinky, and they also have the brand that everybody knows and loves, the Rastafari. So I talked to her, she said both are the same. So I'm gonna actually go with the King Soft and Kinky. It does have a little more hair in the pack, so I can get a little more braiding out of this. So we're gonna see how this works with the King Soft and Kinky. This will be my first time using this brand, so I will let you guys know how everything goes. What you need for this is Murray's Beeswax and Cantu Grow Strong. The reason I used the Cantu Grow Strong was to keep my roots moisturized instead of using some type of oil, and I used the beeswax to make sure my hair kind of blended well. And I just parted my hair. I put the Cantu Grow Strong on my scalp, and then I also put the beeswax on the end of my hair while I'm braiding. So I used the Rastafari hair for the gray version. It actually came out really cute. Make sure you stretch your hair, guys, because I kept forgetting to stretch my hair and the ends do not look nice. If you don't stretch your hair, you're going to have this straight, blunt end, and when you're trying to dip it, it's always going to continue to unravel. So make sure you stretch your hair. So this was a little harder for me. I didn't edit this out because I wanted to show you guys that it did take me a couple tries to figure out how to braid my hair. It was a little difficult for me. I didn't know how to interlock my hair with the actual hair, so it took me a couple tries to try and figure out how to do it and what's the best method for me. Everybody's going to have a different method. Everybody's going to do it differently. As you see, my fingers look so weird. I tried so hard. It actually took me about 10 tries to actually get it done. So I finally got the hang of the braiding – and it came out really well. Now, This process took so long. I thought it wasn't going to be this long, but it took about 4 hours, so be warned.